In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PDF file through Yahoo email. Sending PDF files with Yahoo Mail is a straightforward and quick process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step to ensure you feel comfortable and confident by the end of this tutorial. To begin, we'll start by accessing Yahoo Mail, which you can reach by visiting mail.yahoo.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Yahoo email address and password. Make sure you have these credentials at hand since they're essential for logging in and can't be skipped. Next, once you're logged in, it's time to compose a new email. You can easily start this by clicking on the Compose button, which you'll find located in the top left corner of your Yahoo Mail interface. With the email draft open, begin by entering the recipient's email address. This is the person you want to send the PDF file to. Follow that by adding a suitable subject line. This helps your recipient know what the email is about right at first glance. If you wish to add any personalized message or additional information, this is the perfect time to do so. It can help provide context or instructions related to the PDF file you're sending. Now let's move on to attaching the PDF file to your email. Focus your attention on the bottom of the Compose window where you will see a small paperclip icon. This is universally recognized as the attachment icon and is your gateway to uploading files. Click on it and a window will pop up allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Navigate to the location where your desired PDF file is stored, select it, and initiate the upload process. It's important to wait patiently as the file uploads, as Yahoo Mail will show the progress. Once successfully attached, you'll see the PDF file listed right below the subject line, a clear indication that everything is in place. Before sending the email, take a moment to review everything. A quick, thorough check ensures that you've included the right attachment and that your message and recipient information are correct. When you're ready and everything looks good, go ahead and click the Send button, usually located prominently in the Compose window. This action will dispatch your email, complete with the PDF attachment, straight to your recipient's inbox. As a helpful tip, keep in mind that if your PDF file happens to be larger than 25 megabytes, you won't have to worry. Yahoo Mail has got you covered by automatically using Dropbox to share the file instead. This ensures a smooth and seamless experience, even with larger attachments. And there you have it. Sending a PDF file through Yahoo email is that simple. With these steps, you should be able to efficiently manage your attachments and communicate effectively through email.